Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can block the spam on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. The first step is to open any browser you have on your PC. The second step is to go to aolmail.com and log into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you will see this type of interface. Go ahead and tap on Draft, which is here, and you can click on the mail you want to block or the spam you want to block. After you do so, go ahead and click on More, and you can easily delete it, or you can mark it as spam, or you can mark it as safe. So you can see if you go to spam, you can select it, you can restore it to inbox, move it to other files, or declare it as not spam. Or if it is really spam, you can click on More, and you can see block senders option over here. Just go ahead and click on block senders, read this once, and then click on OK. After click on OK, you can see that the user has been blocked. So this is how you delete the spam, or how you disable the spam or block the spam on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.